when Gabriel came to me with this concept, I said it is very important since we have a new council that he has this interaction with all of us so that we are able to get ourselves educated and make ourselves aware about what is the process and how it is to be done. We know today about organ donation. It is common all over the world. There is a lot of, there is a big market for organs, and we all know about the other side of it as well. But this is an organization that helps you understand and helps you go through the right channels to ensure that everybody has consented to the organ donation. And it is our job as elected representatives to see what best we can do and how we can spread the message in our communities on a micro level. Me speaking on a big stage and with a big audience, it becomes difficult. But when each and every councillor can spread this message on his or her local level, it gives people an insight. Sometimes there are a lot of people that are in need of an organ at very early ages. There are children sometimes at age 15 who have lost a kidney. I have an employee in my organization who recently lost a kidney. Maybe because it was something he had during his birth. But at age 22 to have one of your kidneys removed is something of concern. But through these kind of organizations and initiatives, we can make the public and people more aware of the facilities available today, and most importantly, awareness and spreading the message through the right channel. So I would like to thank all of you all for coming for this. I really wished all the other councillors had come through, but I'm glad that the youngsters are here and we can spread this message across.
आमच्या हिंदू धर्मात अंतिम संस्कार करप हेच योग्य, पण आयज जेन्ना दोतोरान सांगलें तेन्ना कळटा की खरेंच आमच्या पार्ट्साची कितली गरज आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान आमी कोणाचो तरी जीव वाचोवपाक पळयता. सगळ्यांत व्हडली गजाल ही जिवाची, आनी हें तें व्हडलें काम जेन्ना आज डॉक्टराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां जर मेळटा जाल्यार हेच्याकून व्हडली गजाल आनी ना. आनी गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना ही सुरवात केल्या ती खूब आनी बरी आसा, कारण थोड्यो गजाली कश्यो आसता आमकां कळना की एक्सिडेंटान जावं इतर हितून अचानक जेन्ना मरण येता तेन्ना आमकां मनीस जाय आनी ह्या मनशा खातीर आमी कितें करूं शकता हें आमकां कळना. जेन्ना आज आमकां मोहन फावंडेशनान हो बऱ्या पैकी आनी बाब पेरेरा तो 4 दिसां पयलीं म्हाजे कडेन म्हणपाक लागलो की आमी हो ऑर्गनायज कार्यक्रम करुया. म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें, कारण बरें व्हडलें काम हें. तशेंच आयज सोफिया आनी डॉक्टर आमचे मालदार हेंच्यांनी बऱ्या पैकी हांगा आमकां बऱ्या पैकी आपले विचार मांडले. तेंचे सगळ्यांचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच
Power of organ donation is definitely underrated. It does not merely affect the donor and the recipient. In fact, it impacts the families and friends as well. It is an extremely important for those who are in need of an organ transplant, so they can benefit from it. Further, it renews their life and enhances their health once their transplant is done. In fact, it is a very nice feeling to experience how organ donation impacts the lives of individuals. For example, a woman who died in a severe car accident which came as a shock for a whole family. Devastated initially, the family did not understand what to make of the tragic death of the woman. It recently happened to a very, very dear friend of mine, Sonia Marias. You all must have heard this case. And how they went out of their way to donate the organs of their mother. And the very touching thing that she said to me was, I can see my mother leading in so many other souls. So then the hospital offered them them the chance to donate her organs and tissues for the purpose of transplantation. At first, they were not ready to part with any part of the person, but soon they realized that nothing will lessen the pain of losing her. So they decided to donate her organs. They received great comfort in knowing that some good is coming out of such a bad tragedy. Organ donation is a life-giving opportunity for those who are at the end of the line for hope. It carries the power to enhance the lives of people and change them forever. As the need for organ donors is growing by the day, it has become absolutely necessary to increase the awareness about organ donation. There are a lot of misconceptions regarding this subject, and we must do our best to clear them.
Today we had an organ donation program with Makcha Municipal Council in association with IMA Goa. The guest speaker was Dr. Amol Mahandar. Special invitee was local MLA Mr. Joshua, and the guest of honor was Dr. Sophia Rock. So we had a little bit, and the councillors were there. Even the chairperson took part in it, and we created a good atmosphere about organ donation. So a lot of myths and doubts were there in people's mind, which were cleared, and henceforth we will be looking forward for more programs like that with the support of the press and donation. There are two ways of donating organs. Is either living donor or a deceased donor. Deceased donor is called brain dead. So brain dead, there is a procedure to be done, like a declaration of brain dead and vice versa. So for that person who has to get enrolled in a waiting list, which is there in GMC at present. So there is an entire procedure of all those.